Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. Ever had a website that just won't load properly or feels super slow? The solution might be clearing your Chrome cache. And today, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Important warning before we start. Clearing your cache may log you out of websites, especially if you delete cookies. So make sure you remember your passwords or have them saved somewhere before proceeding. Why clear your cache? Your browser saves bits of data from websites to help them load faster. But over time, this stored data or cache can cause problems, like pages not updating, login issues, or even slow browsing speeds. Clearing it out can fix errors and speed up Chrome instantly. First, open Google Chrome and look at the top right corner. You'll see 3 dots, the menu button. Click on it. Click on Settings in the menu. On the left-hand side, select Privacy and Security. Find and click on Clear or Delete Browsing Data. This will open a new window where you can manage what to delete. Step 3. Choose what to clear in this window. You'll see 2 tabs. Basic, the quick and easy option. Advanced gives you more control over what gets deleted. For most people, the Basic tab is enough. Set the time range to all time for a full reset. Or choose the last hour per day if you only want recent data gone. Uncheck browsing history if you want to keep it, but make sure cookies and cached images/files are selected. Click Clear Data, and Chrome will delete the selected files. Reminder, clearing cookies will log you out of most websites, so be ready to log back in afterward. Once it's done, close Chrome completely and reopen it. You should notice a smoother and faster browsing experience. I just cleared 594 megabytes of junk files. How much did you clear? Let me know in the comments. If this helped, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.